look at that salad. Thank you. No worries. That's good. I'm waiting. Look at that. Oh, yeah, que rico. Hey, people, this is Sean and Dan. We're sitting here in San Diego, California. And so, as usual, we have to have fish tacos there. But let's talk about the beginning of the year real estate market, Dan. What's going on out there? I mean, I'm real optimistic about what's going on. That's because I'm in real estate, but that's what's happening. I mean, we're going to see a downturn. There's no doubt about it. You know, with interest rates going up, possibly again, it's stalled all retail type market on it. But what people forget is when you're an investor, it's always about what you pay for the property. That's where you make your money.
Exactly.
And I think we're going to see a slowing down. What do you think, Dan? Over the next at least 6 to 12 months, you're going to see some downturn. I would say another 20% overall in some markets.
6 to 9 months. Yeah, I would agree with that. Some markets are going to go down double digits, absolutely, 15, 20%. But I see it as part of the great equalization.
Yeah, there's going to be that. And you've also keep your eyes on the demographics because people are still moving to places because of opportunity in those areas. So when you're looking at a place like, Florida, Texas, those aren't going to slow down.
No.
Believe it or not, I'm seeing opportunity in California. We're doing a bunch of deals here in California. I'm still doing my stuff in Georgia. But it's all about what you pay for it. So slow down your research. I'm going to tell you this on your comparable sales. Do not look at anything past 30 to 60 days. I don't care what it did 30 to 60 days past that 4 or 5 months ago. That is not the market now. And it could go both ways. It could be even higher, but in a lot of areas, it's even lower than it is now. We're not going to see the drastic reduction in real estate like we did in 08 and 09. It's going to be it's going to be a slow roll because there's a lot of cash in the market.
Right.
And what I mean by that is because of the way banks had to restructure everything with new banking laws, a lot more cash had to be put down on that. So there wasn't all this frenzy buying going on all over the place. So that's what you're looking at in the real estate market as far as I'm concerned. Any other party thoughts on that, Dan?
Just follow what's happening right now. Be very in tune on what's happening right now. And then you'll be able to find what the deals are.
There's a lot of micro markets out there, I think.
Correct.
And I don't think there's a blanket statement you can make for the whole country. Some markets are going down really, really fast and other ones are still going up. Yeah. Is that right?
Yeah,
I haven't looked at Phoenix for a while. Ouch. Which makes sense. I mean, there's got to be some equilibrium or equality going on there, so to speak. All right, this is Sean and Shan. Shan.
We're
Dan. Sean and Dan in San Diego saying peace.